Hi guys, so this is the first video I'm doing for 1 point perspective. Now I'm going to draw my lines quite dark, the guidelines, but when you guys do yours, draw them lightly because you're going to rub some of those lines out when you don't need them, okay, when you're finished with them. So first things first, you need an A4 piece of paper. And what we're going to do first of all is draw what we call a horizon line. Now, if you turn your paper to landscape and then draw a line that goes somewhere along the middle of your page, right the way across. Obviously, when you're drawing yours, draw yours quite lightly. I've drawn mine quite firmly, okay, just so you can see it on the camera. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this as HL. Now, all that HL stands for is horizon line. It's just an indicator. You don't need to do it all the time. It's just so you remember what it is. And I'll write it here as well, just in case anyone forgets. So HL is horizon line. Now, the next thing we need to put on this line is what we call our vanishing point. Now, in 1 point perspective, what happens is as the shape goes further towards this horizon line, the more it starts to sort of shrink in size. And when I do the drawing, you will see that and notice that. Now, you can put the horizon line anywhere along, sorry, I beg your pardon. You can put the vanishing point along anywhere along the horizon line. But what I'm going to do for this demo, and I think just to sort of keep things simple, is put it somewhere in the middle. And we mark it with an X. Okay? On the horizon line. I'm going to call that VP, and that just stands for vanishing point. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video for a moment. It's not going to affect you, but what will happen here in a moment, you'll see a square. So what you might want to do is pause the video now so that you can draw the square out. I'm drawing mine at 50 by 50. Okay, pause the video now. Okay, so I've drawn my square here, which is 50 by 50. Now, I've done it in pen just so that it stands out a bit more. When you draw it, just draw it a lot more firmly with your pencil. So, the way 1 point perspective works, the corners that we can see and that are visible, so these two here will be visible, not these two because it's a solid shape, we draw to this vanishing point. So all our lines go to the vanishing point. Now, because this is more or less in the center, we'll only see two sides. We'll see the front and the top. We won't be able to see the side. If you think about it, if I go from this corner to that vanishing point, it's hidden behind there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from this corner here to the vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to draw my line in like that. And then I'm going to repeat the process on the other side like this. Okay, so there I have my top edge corners going towards that vanishing point. The last thing I want to do is draw another horizontal line that connects these two lines together. So I'm going to do it just somewhere along the lines. I'm going to connect them together. And then final thing to do is to just darken those lines out that make up that shape, like so. Obviously, when you're doing it, you're not doing it in pen, you're doing it in pencil. I'm doing it in pen just so that it's a bit more visible to you on the screen. Okay, so there it is. What I will then do is rub out these lines here because they're no longer needed. But there I have my 3D shape. Now what you can notice is it starts to get smaller the further it gets away from you. And if it kept going further back, eventually it would just disappear into here. Okay, the next video looks at how to draw a 1 point perspective on the horizon line. So practice this, and once you're happy with that, we're going to have a look at the next video and you can practice that.